Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, laptop showing white screen Windows 11, 10 fix. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, Windows, and B keys. Second method Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Restart Windows Explorer. Third method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys. Click Restart to restart the computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.